Hi, this is Colin from Today's Menu, and I want to talk just really briefly about why you should upgrade. So, Today's Menu is free. You can use it, try it out. You can embed it on your site, use public menus. Go for it. I'd love to see you use it for free, but to pay for it does unlock some great features. So first of all, you support independent developer shops like mine. So much appreciated on that one. The big one is that you are limited to 10 menu items in your free version. So if I click on the public link of one of my menus, you're going to see that it only shows the first 10. And if you have more than 10, there's going to be a bar at the top to alert you that you are not seeing the entire menu. So that is one big reason. Another big reason is to remove the Powered by Today's Menu link at the bottom and other places we may decide to put it. When you're on the free version, this really helps us get the word out, but when you have the paid version, it's completely white labeled to you. The other thing you get with the premium version is support for multiple languages, so your menu titles, your menu items, descriptions, section headers, all of that stuff can be in as many languages as you want to support. And finally, the QR code feature is a premium feature. This is a way for you to show and print a QR code to put in your actual restaurant for customers to scan to get a lightning fast menu showing up on their phone for them to order. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your business. Let me know if you have any questions that we can help with.